Make a great choice today with the 2018 Titan. This vehicle is powered by a rear-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 5.6-liter engine, and comes with an automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: sliding rear window, tire pressure monitor, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, brake assist, traction control, stability control, engine immobilizer, 4-wheel disc brakes, integrated turn signal mirrors. Inside you'll find backup camera, keyless entry, satellite radio, auxiliary audio input, keyless start, steering wheel audio controls, MP3 player, security system, cruise control, trip computer. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.